Unless I got it on backwards. Let me see.
I think you got it on backwards.
My freaking goodness.
He put it on backwards, y'all.
I knew something was wrong. I'm like, why is that like that?
She looking like, boy, what you just do?
That's why she started.
What's up, guys? You don't know your girl Whitney and your boy Jessie right here. And baby Brown, baby Kalena, look at her. So cute. Guys, Jessie has been dodging giving our baby a bath. So, he ain't working today. Today is Sunday. Finally caught him. Tricked him into doing it. Well, I shouldn't have to, you know what I'm saying? But I can understand he a little scared. But today is his first time officially giving her a bath. Because I'm the one who always do it.
Say what up, people?
Little fat self. Look at her. So we gonna see how he do. You gotta wash your hair too, babe.
I ain't washed her yet.
You gotta wash your hair. So here go the tools. This is her two-sided wash brush. This is to stud it, and then this is to like comb it. This soft part right here. And
let's start off with just her body first.
okay.
Let's do that first.
All right.
She looked at me like, dude, what are you doing?
She like, you don't normally do this. Right. Mommy do this.
Yeah, she's excited. She's like, look what I can do, Daddy. You can be still, please. Can you be still?
Guys, she loves the water. She likes her. She loves the water. When she get in here, she get excited. Isn't that right, mamas? Isn't that right, mommy? You get excited? Yes. She fat, y'all. Look at her.
Okay, so this is for her face and her body, right?
Yeah, it's wash and
wash
shampoo.
Everything. What about her eyes?
It's tear free, so you can wash her face without the soap.
Okay.
Because I still don't want it to get in her eyes, but it's tear free. It shouldn't make her like do anything to her eyes. So
okay.
Hey mama, you so cute, girl. Look at you. Turn around, mommy. She's like, what is he doing?
Ready for this?
That's not how you do it. I'm just playing.
All right, come on.
Daddy duties.
So let's tell them what just happened though. How I get in this position.
Okay, go ahead.
Whitney is breastfeeding her baby. You know, feeding her and everything. She lifts her up, and all you see is a big old freaking poop stain all up her back.
On her white shirt.
Her white shirt, that's all you see. I'm looking like, I know that shirt wasn't, that shirt don't have no designs on it, so yeah, a little poop. I don't even know how I want to win, yo.
It's not as easy as it looks, huh? Because she is very strong. She'll hold on to you like really tight. And if she don't want you to do something, she'll yank her arm or yank her leg, or she'll move her head like, no. He looks so lost, y'all, like he don't know what he doing. He's just winging it. He's just winging it, y'all.
Alright, how you go? How you like that? Huh? Here.
Like, this is not how you do it, Dada.
Here, you want it?
She got a rubber ducky.
You want your duck? I don't make no noises.
No, it don't. It's so disappointing.
Here.
Okay. You talking?
Let's get to her hair. I'm trying to touch that little soft spot. Ooh, there we go, mama. Yeah, you like that? It feel good?
She's so fat. Look at her. She's so chunky. Why are you trying to expose yourself, mommy? You trying to expose yourself, mama? Yes.
She said, I'm just trying to show them that I know how to swim. Look at my feet.
Look at your little feet. Look at your little feet.
Pretty sure you're supposed to wash her hair first and then her body.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You forgetting her brush.
Oh.
Let's see if that I know what he doing. You was supposed to squeeze the soap on that back part because it suds it up, and then you know, rub it all over her
I got you in
head.
the face. I'm sorry. Hold on. Which towel was I supposed to use for her face again?
No, not. I'm talking about for her hair. You're supposed to squeeze the soap on this sponge part.
Don't panic, girl. When you get all anxious like that, you get me anxious. Like I'm doing something wrong. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put the water in your face. She said, Mama, oh, Mama, come on, Mama. She looked at me. She like, oh, you come on, because he messing up all that.
Okay.
Whoa. Relax. Can you relax, please?
He sound like my mama. Y'all so funny. She just, when she get in the bathtub, she just gets so excited. She start kicking the water. She starts smacking it. She do a lot. She move around, wiggle around. She likes the water. She get that from her mommy because mommy like water. I like to go to water parks and get in the pool, hot. So anything that has to do with water, that's me. Look at the little toes. Look at the little toes, mommy.
Alright.
You finna
Let's
flip
switch you
her
up
over.
just a little bit. You ready? Can you sit up on me? Is that okay? Are you comfortable?
She like, no, what is this? I don't like it. Oh my god.
Come on, you should be still, bro. Can you be still? You kind of floating there. Okay, I'm gonna do the back. Okay, just focus on her face, I guess. Okay.
This is so funny to me, for real.
Hold on. Alright. Let's get back there. You sit. You good?
Babe, you say how you supposed to get back here? Yeah. Oh my god. Poor thing. You poor thing.
Alright.
Oh, look at my baby.
This is when you wash your body, right?
Yes.
Alright.
You like, this is so wrong. This is all wrong. You ain't doing it right, Dada.
Yeah, there we go. Get the soap out your hair.
She's like, what is that?
Alrighty. Okay, I think that's good.
Why you brush her hair back?
Let's watch your get back a little bit.
Look at her face. She just looks so uncomfortable.
Dude, ain't no soap on this thing here.
She's like, what is going on? I don't know.
Okay. How you feeling? You think we somewhere on the right path?
Say no, Dada. You're not doing it right.
Yeah.
She having her a blast. Look at her kicking y'all. Look at her. Babe, you blocking her little moment with your soul.
Because I'm normally not in here. She's
Uh-huh.
like, this is so cool. You get to see my cool tricks, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
I can swim. Let me see your feet. See your little bitty toes. You got the cutest toes, yo. She her toes from me for sure. Not that.
Ah, please.
She get that from her mom on that part, but
What part?
when she doing that, all that retarded stuff like that.
Shut up. You swear.
All right, let's get on this.
She looking at him like, you know you ain't never did this before. like you know you doing it all wrong.
Alrighty. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Back here a little
Did
bit.
you wash her butt?
Yeah, I'm trying to get there. You ready for the butt part? No? Me neither. Okay. I need you to sit there and relax, okay? Alright. Okay, let's get to let's
She is so excited.
Let's do here first, okay? Let's get all in here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's good, right? That's good enough. Why are you looking in my eyes when I do that? See what you gonna do? You okay? Just do it already. Just wash. Okay, let's wash your butt.
Say
A
it's
little
totally normal, Dad.
bit. Stand up. Stand up on me a little bit. All right, let's wash a little butt. Okay. Okay, your mama can do the rest of that another time.
Another time? You better wash her up good.
You having fun? You having fun? Yes. That's how much fun. Yeah. The water's like you cold now, ready to get out of. Yeah. How you feeling?
That's him giving her a bath. I hope y'all see that. When mommy do it real good.
Yes.
Tell him, KK.
Yeah.
Tell him, Kylie. Say hi, mamas. Hi, fat mom. Hi, fatty. Hi. Hi, girl. Hi. Hi, baby girl. You want to smile for me? Smile for mama. Daddy just messed your hair all the way up, huh? Yep.
Alright. You want to hand some real quick?
I don't know how I'm going to do that. You got to figure it out. When I do it, don't nobody help me take her out. I do it by myself. You better figure it out. Uh-huh. Figure it out, Dada. Figure it out, Dada.
But this thing going right here.
Uh-huh. You flip that to the front. So you pick her up.
Pick her up backwards.
Pretty much, buddy.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, I want you to go. So hurry up. Okay. Okay, there we go. Woo, yeah. See, I will play a Cocomelon, but we can't because of copyright, okay? Cocomelon.
She loves to watch TV, y'all. She really be into it.
Okay, all that off.
It put her to sleep sometimes.
I'm gonna wash your face, okay? But we're gonna do that when we're done greasing you up. So, let me do some Vaseline real quick. I know you're mad. I know.
Girl, who's that up?
Alright, so for y'all new parents out there, you know,
like you not one.
When y'all got your babies, you gotta grease them up with just still a little bit of water on them, okay? So make sure you still got a little bit of water on them.
Yeah, her private's showing, so I'm just not showing the whole of her.
Yeah, that's fine.
She looking like, help me, mama.
How you do this part, baby? Just use your hands for all that?
Yes.
Why she poop on you?
If
She fat,
poop
so
on
you gotta
she
get.
just poop on you.
You gotta get all in the creases because she fat. Uh oh.
She already tooting.
Uh oh.
I just like halfway do it like that. Yep.
Come on.
You a fatty.
Come on. As y'all can see, she look a little Chinese. Like a little Chinese baby. It's not Chinese, y'all. It's actually Cherokee. So, I have Indian in my blood. So, we have Indian. Actually, my mom's dad is Indian. Like 100%.
She is like, boy, what are you doing?
My mom's dad is like full-blown Indian. So, it's like it skipped my generation.
Like, help me, mommy.
And it hit her hard. My eyes used to be like real thin like that too, real tight. It was because I couldn't see good, you know what I'm saying? But she could see real good. We can tell. But she be looking at us from a distance. She'll follow us from far away too. So. Okay? Uh-oh. You good? You good? You all set? Okay.
She's just slobbing.
Ooh, you still, your neck is still dirty. Ooh, I guess I didn't do a good job.
No, you didn't.
Ooh, your neck is dirty.
Because you got to wash it.
Good.
She like, oh my God. He do not know what he doing. Look at her, look like a sumo wrestler. You don't like that joke, mama? That was a bad joke? Okay, I won't say it no more.
That's racist.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What happened?
I'm sorry. That's cold.
What, the blanket?
Yeah, that's cold now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, cold. She said, I don't like that. So we got to get her a different blanket. I'm sorry.
The towel, I mean.
Relax.
You got to put her clothes on.
Okay. Here, sit here for a second. Hey, calm down. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Relax. Look, it's not cold. See, it's not the same thing. See?
She breaks herself. She like, boy, I don't trust you.
Alright. Okay.
She said, Dad.
Hold on. I know. It's a little weird. I know. I got you. There you go. Come on, I got you. Boom. There you go. See? We good. We can do this. Okay? We can do this. We gotta work with each other though. You gotta help me, help you, okay? See? Not too bad. Right?
She probably just sleepy too. When she was falling asleep earlier.
Bro, you said my neck still ain't clean, bro. He didn't wash my face. My face dirty. He grabbed me by my leg like I was some kind of toy or something. There you go. Ugh. Alright. This is a size 3 to 6 months, y'all. She about to be 3 months here pretty soon. So this is 3 to 6 months, so I look pretty big. Unless I got it on backwards.
I think you got it on backwards.
My freaking goodness.
He put it on backwards, y'all.
I knew something was wrong. Why is that like that?
She looking like, boy, what you just do?
She stopped crying. She said, you know what?
This is not right.
So I'm trying to tell you. You don't want to listen.
That's crazy. How you put her clothes on backwards, Jessie?
I looked at it. It wasn't even backwards when I told you.
Yeah, okay. If you say so.
Now I gotta get another towel so I can wash your face, okay? Because what we do not wash faces with body towels, right? Boom.
She trying to figure out what he talking about. She's like, I don't know what you talking about.
He said, yeah, keep talking. Do whatever you gonna do about it.
Let me see the feet. I just love her feet, y'all. They so cute. Look at the feet. They so cute. Look at the feet. Look at the feet, girl. She got some big feet like her daddy, y'all. But they are cute, though. She got some cute little toes.
I got pretty boy feet.
Your feet match you because you're a man.
There you go, mama. You see? Yeah, you all clean and stuff. You all clean.
Say halfway.
Oh, you know what? Let me get your neck some more real quick. Can I get in there real quick? She said, bro, you choking me, bro. Let me get back there. Come on, little fat neck. There you go. You're so fat. You got all that chin. No, you. Look, give me some dap. Give me some dap. Boom, my girl.
Alright, y'all. You seen how Daddy gave her a bath. Nothing like mommy baths, but you know, it'll do for now.
It's the first time for everything.
Guys, he was dodging it so much. He was supposed to do this last Sunday, and somehow he found a way
to
dodge it.
My cutie. How you kiss? You good? You said no. What? Good. Alright. So what you think, baby? You got anything you want to say to the people? Are you seeing your little nightly bath? She got really dry skin, y'all, so.
She got eczema too.
Eczema, yeah. That she get that from me.
You gotta brush her hair. You didn't brush it. It's right there.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. We gotta do this a little bit longer, okay? Relax. Come on. Alright.
Did you put grease in there?
Yeah, that's grease.
Okay. She looking like, save me.
I'm not pressing down hard. But when I was doing it, you gonna yell. That's what I'm talking about. You yell.
Why are you crying?
Is she a mama's girl?
Y'all see how she be crying? She pissed off.
Listen, I tried, okay? Don't yell at me. No, you. Little girl. What? What you gotta say? Get out. What are you telling me to get out? Let me see. I'm trying to help you out, okay? Yo mama.
She cussing you out.
Yo mama. Tell her mama like that. I love you. Okay. Alrighty, y'all. So that's her little nightly thing, you know what I'm saying? Her little bath night and stuff. The first time, obviously I get a little bit more comfortable. She's so tiny and, you know, fragile. So I don't like you know, rubbing her too hard and like that, you know, so that's why I let Whitney do everything. Because I'm a little rough, right, Mama? I'm a little rough. I want you to be tough. I want you to be tough, okay? All right.
She almost punched you in the face.
She, man, she got a heck of a right hand. All right, Daddy wants you to be tough, right? He wants you to be great one day, right? All right. No matter what, Daddy always loves you, right? Say, like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Say it.
She's like, no, not today.
All right, that's close enough, y'all. All right, y'all. Hope you have a blessed day, blessed night. Y'all be smooth, be safe. Thanks for checking us out. Until next time, y'all. Peace.